We're at 3881 Weatherstone Circle. This is in Pensacola, just off of Gulf Beach Highway. We're entering through the front door here into our great room or living room. We have an electric controlled fireplace, tray ceilings, coat closet, and access from our 2-car garage. There's carpeting in the majority of the home and then laminate flooring throughout the rest. Further on into our home, we have our kitchen, dining room, and master suite, but we're going to turn you around so you can see the living room again. And then we're going to head down a short hallway. To our left, we have our washer-dryer closet. Directly in front of us is bedroom number 1. So this is on the left side of the home. Both guest bedrooms have very good size closets, small walk-in closets. Carpeting continues through here as well. Moving on, directly in front of us, you'll see another linen closet, and then here is bedroom number 2. So we're still down that short hallway here. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet as well. Heading back out, and then here we have bathroom number 1. So this would be the guest bathroom. We have a nice tub shower combo, good size vanity. Coming back out now. Passing our laundry closet, back in our living room, and we'll carry on to the kitchen and dining room. Kitchen has all stainless steel appliances, lots of good cabinet space, bar top seating, and then we are open to our formal dining area. This is on the back side of the home with views into our backyard. Now off of this dining area, we have our master suite. So the master suite is separate from the others. We are all the way at the back of the home now. We've got 2 windows looking into the backyard, great for natural lighting. And then here is our walk-in closet. Very nice, good size, goes all the way around. Coming back out, we'll take you to the master ensuite. We've got a nice soaker tub. Turning around, we've got a double sink vanity and commode. Nice big mirror as well, and a window from extra natural lighting as well. Going back out of our master now, we'll take you to the backyard. So we're back at our kitchen and dining area, turning to the left towards the back of the home. We have a small concrete patio, and then the yard is fully enclosed, wraps around both sides of the home. We do have a little area that's fenced off on the side of the home. Could be great for a garden area or storage. And then here is that yard again. Heading back inside now. This is 3881 Weatherstone Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.